right team, you can accomplish amazing things and have tremendous fun. The project really is about trying to improve some of the tools that are available that are necessary to develop next generations of advanced technology radiation therapies for cancer, for example. These will require tools that don't exist today, and we've been limited in the kinds of tools that we have in the sense that they're generic, they're standardized. And what we'd like to develop through this project is a way to quickly and economically produce personalized tools that will be unique to each individual patient, and this will allow us to improve the testing and verification of next-generation radiotherapy treatments. Undergraduates quite often come to my office, including physics, biology, arts, and others, and just ask, is there an opportunity to participate in the research in your laboratory? Most of the time, I do have an opportunity for them to participate, and they get started by attending group meetings and by rolling up their sleeves, getting their hands dirty. LSU is an amazing place for collaborative research. The culture, the shared resources, and the willingness of individuals and groups to collaborate is really remarkable.